Hello and welcome back to the Havilah Global Empire channel. My name is Luke and today we're doing another unboxing. Last time we unboxed some sort of banner and this time we've got an order of 50 of their large bags. So I'm going to attempt to open this rather hefty box here and see what's inside. I hope she doesn't want to keep any because I can lie though. You know on Christmas when you're like a kid and someone gives you like a really big present?
Yeah, you're intrigued to open it.
It low key feels like that right now.
Pop that duck skirt.
I'm gonna use my keys.
Plastic.
Yeah, I know, but if I can get that off.
You're gonna cut string with a.
What is essentially a butter knife?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Don't give me that one.
Okay.
Right, so finally got the bags open now. So let's take a look at some of these. These are our large shopping bags, by the way, in case anybody didn't know.
I like the colour.
I would say that's actually quite nice. So these are made out of jute, I believe, which is a pretty cool looking brand. I've got to post that on our Instagram, link in the description below. Got to plug that right. So we've got different colours. This is our orange one. I actually quite like that one. I'm not gonna lie. We've got a bit of a different one. We do have a green already, as far as I'm aware. Or khaki, as is pronounced. And looking through the box, it looks like every single one of them is now this colour, and we've got one random orange one.
That might be a tester, like.
Makes me like it even more. Could be. So here we've got a logo, which is Myote, which is the brand. Obviously our company is Havilah Global, but the brand is Myote. And then we have a nice little logo there. Just checking the rest of the bag. We also have it here. So when you're shopping, you can always see where to look for our products. Again, link in the description below down to our website where you can find all of our lovely products, including these bags. Mate, you got a plug, right? So we do have like another 49 of these, but I'm not really going to get out all 49 and tell you how they're all exactly pretty much the same. But judging by this one and the orange one, they're very nice quality.
Long lasting, they look really good.
Very durable.
Yeah.
I mean, you could fit quite a bit of washing in one of these.
Yeah.
Washing?
Quite shopping.
There we go. I've got, because I need to do washing at home.
You could put your laundry in it and take it to the laundry.
As I was saying, we do also have a video up on our YouTube channel showcasing how strong airbags are compared to standard plastic bags. So again, another shameless plug, but that's going to be down in the description below. So I think that's pretty much everything I can mention. I mean, they're really good bags. I'm not just saying that because I work here. They are genuinely really good bags, and hopefully we can get them gone and into some people's lovely homes.
Yeah, they're all green.
Okay, they are all green. That's fine. Anywho, point back at me, please. Thank you. We hope you did enjoy this video and this quick look at our products. If you'd like to see more like this, then just let us know down in the comments below, or if there's any suggestions you've got for further videos, whether that's challenge videos or things like this, we're happy to hear it. There will be a link to our website and all our social medias. What? Model? You want me to model the bag?
It goes with your t-shirt as well.
Oh, actually really
Yeah,
does.
it does.
Does it make my eyes pop?
Do the over the shoulder look.
Yeah, we want pizzazz.
Oh,
go.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Even men can work one of these bags.
Yeah.
See? Stylish for everybody.
You know what, Luke? You pulled that off, you know.
You did.
He pulled that
We
off,
hope
you
you
know.
enjoyed this video, and we hope to see you all in the next one. So, Goodbye, everybody.